In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Baiju's Samsung tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly factory reset a Samsung tablet issued from Baiju. This is going to work for any model. Even if yours is not from Samsung, you can still follow along. It should work for any Android tablet from Baiju. So all that you have to do to reset it is to press a specific combination of buttons on the tablet itself. So you will not need to connect it to a PC, to another tablet, or even a mobile device. You can do it by simply pressing buttons available on the tablet itself. So the buttons that you are going to have to press are going to be the volume down button, the volume up button, and the power button. You have to press all of them simultaneously. So you press them at the exact same time together and you keep holding. Hold them down while the tablet is powered off. And usually you will have to hold for 20 or more seconds. I would recommend holding it up to even 30. So just start pressing all of these buttons when the tablet is powered off. When you press and hold the volume down button, volume up button, and power button, eventually you will see this menu here. So you have plenty of options related to your Android tablet. One of them, as you can see right here, is going to be wipe data / factory reset. This is the option that we are looking for. As the name suggests, this will completely wipe your Baiju's Samsung tablet. So of course, if there is any data that you want to keep, make sure to back it up now. But if you choose this option from the list, you will be able to get a reset. So you can scroll up and down on this list by using the volume up button and the volume down button. And to actually select any of the items on the menu, you just press the power button. So highlight wipe data / factory reset, press the power button twice, and it is going to start the process. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Baiju's Samsung tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.